In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync edits across photos in Lightroom. If you've already dialed in a look on one image and want the rest of a set to match, this is the quickest, most consistent way to get there without repeating the same adjustments over and over. Start by heading to either the Develop module or the Library module and selecting the photo you've already edited. Think of this as your reference image, the one whose exposure, color, and other adjustments you're happy with. In Lightroom, that selected image should be the active photo, usually indicated by a brighter border or being the one displayed in the main preview. Keeping this photo active ensures Lightroom knows which settings to copy from. Next, hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on a Mac and click to add the other photos you want to sync those edits to. You're building a selection here, but the edited photo should remain the active one. If you notice the wrong image becomes active, simply click back on your edited image to reassert it, then continue adding the others with Ctrl or CMD. This step is important because Lightroom will use the active photo as the source for all synchronized adjustments. If you're working in the Develop module, look toward the bottom right and click the Sync button. If you happen to be in the Library module instead, go to the top menu, choose Photo, then Develop Settings, and click Sync Settings. Both paths open the same dialog and perform the same action. It's just a matter of where you're working. In the Synchronize Settings dialog, you'll see a checklist of adjustments. Turn on only the items you want to apply to the other photos. Things like exposure, white balance, contrast, tone curve, color grading, sharpening, and noise reduction are commonly synced. Be cautious with settings that are composition-specific, such as cropping, spot removal, or local adjustments, unless they truly apply across the entire set. Taking a moment here to choose carefully helps avoid unintended changes and saves cleanup later. When you're confident in your selection, click Synchronize. Lightroom will apply those edits to all of the selected images at once. You can watch the thumbnails update and then quickly review a few of them to confirm everything looks consistent. If something isn't quite right, you can reopen sync settings and adjust which options are included, or fine-tune individual photos as needed. That's it. Clean, consistent edits across your set in just a few clicks.